after this lovely, informative presentation by Juhi, I think most of us must have kept the cell phone away from our laps, even if it is on inside your purse. But I see everybody with their purse clutching onto it as if somebody will run away with it. Before I start, I want to share a very personal experience. My dear friend Kaushika also won't know about it. But lately I have stopped talking on the cell phone close to my ears, but I use it with the loudspeaker on. And at times it's very embarrassing because you're in the supermarket and you want to know what you need at home, you're talking to the staff and they're saying, "Aur kya chahiye?" And then you have 10 weird pairs of eyes looking at you. What is this lady talking about? Aur kya chahiye and all that. But then I can't help it because I tried every possible thing. I used to use the phone and I used to juggle from one ear to the other ear. The phone used to get extremely hot. So I started blaming because I had changed from an iPhone to a Samsung. Sorry, I'm taking the names of the companies. But I have nothing against them. It's just that I was blaming various factors. So I thought probably by changing the handset, it was a problem. Then I started using headphones, which kind of jammed my brain. And I used to feel that everything is completely blocked. Then somebody suggested Bluetooth. But again with the Bluetooth, I would put it in one ear, shift it to the other ear again, so it didn't help. So I thought best would be using the loudspeaker. And then after about a few days, we were all going for, my husband and I, we were going for a full body health checkup. And as a mandatory thing, they do your audiogram, like you heard Dr. Prabhat say. So I was also there for the audiogram. And surprisingly, we thought that probably my husband would be suffering from some kind of hearing loss because he's constantly using the headphone with very high sound and he's always in an atmosphere where there are high decibels. But it was me. I was told that I cannot hear certain frequency of sound. And so the doctor kept asking me, what do I do? Do I listen to a lot of music? And because of whatever our circumstances. But I said, this is what I've been facing, that the phone has been troubling me the most. So there, I don't know if it is a proven fact, but I completely attribute it to my cell phone. So I have stopped allowing my son, anybody around in my house to use it close to the ear. But we cannot be commanding these things, we can just request. So the first step that we all have to take is from our own homes. We have to educate our elders, our children, our staff, our neighbors and whoever possible around us. That please stop, like in her presentation and as well as what the doctor said, that please don't keep your cell phones inside your purses, on your lap. It is really harmful, extremely harmful. I think Juhi has lots more to talk about the effects of radiation and let me just hand it over.
But thank you, I'm so glad Madhurima that you brought this up and it's a personal anecdote, personal experience. I think it helps to bring to bring about the awareness because now people will feel free to rather than even just taking questions, I'm even happy if you would like to share anything like Madhurima just said.
But Drew is very well aware and I'm sure a lot of people who are reading about it. The animals and birds, they cannot even express what they're going through. The migratory birds especially, they work on a magnetic field and they use it as a compass to find the direction. But because of these towers, the oscillation of the electromagnetic field, they are completely disoriented, they're losing their way, they don't know which way to go. Then honey, bees produce honey, the most important ingredient in Ayurveda. The honeybees are getting affected. The sparrows, बचपन में जैसे हम बोलते थे, we used to see 2 sparrows and we would say, oh how lucky, how lucky, how lucky. How sparrows are gone. The tests have shown that the eggs are getting degenerated, damaged completely because of this radiation. So, you know, we at least can express